Welcome back to another lesson. Up until this point, we've been playing chords, and now we're going to try some lead guitar when you play one finger, one time at a time. We're going to stick to this fat E string today, and we're going to play Smoke on the Water. That's the song we'll be learning today. Here we go. All right, so take a look at all of these lines above me. Can you see them? They're called tablature, and there are 6 lines because there are 6 strings on the guitar. So let's take a look. That thick E string, see right above my head? That is the E string, the thickest one. The next string is A, then the next one is D, then G, then B, and the top E string. And that skinny E string is the highest sounding string. That's why it's on the top. Now, what confuses a lot of people about guitar tab, sometimes when you're looking down on your guitar, you look down and this string here, this looks like it's the top. And you go down and it looks like the skinny string is on the bottom. But just based on the pitch of the string, that's why the skinny E is on the top and the fat E is on the bottom. So don't let that mix you up as you're learning to read tab. Okay? That's what the tab lines mean. Now we're going to put some numbers on them. Okay, now look below me. Look at that tab down there. You see on that thick E string, the first thing you see is a 0. And what that means is pluck the E string, open. There's no fingers, 0 fingers on it. 0. Then you notice there's a 3. And we're going to play the 3rd fret, but use the first finger. 0, 3, and then go to 5. Let's see if you can do that. 0, 3, 5. Try it again. 0, 3, 5. One more time. 0, 3, 5. Now when people begin, remember, sometimes their fingers are squished together tight. Separate those fingers and make every finger work independently by itself. Thumb is still on the back, and your fingers have some space between them as you're playing. Okay, if you have the first part down, let's try the second part. That's 0, 3, 6, 5. Try to use your pinky for 6, 5. Here we go. 0, 3, 6, 5. One more time. 0, 3, 6, 5. Let's take it from the beginning now. 1, 2. Here we go, start on low E. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. Then repeat the first part. 0, 3, 5, and it ends with 3, 0. That's the whole thing. You got it. Let's do the whole thing straight through. 1, 2, here we go. Now. 0. You got it. And speed it up. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5, 0, 3, 5, 3. Now if you got that down, try moving it over one string to the A string. A string. That's the next string right above the E string. Here we go. 0, 3, 5, 0, 3, 6, 5. 0, 3, 5, and then go back to E. There you got it. Smoke on the Water. Nice job.